For many manufacturers, quality issues show up only after the damage is done, when parts have already moved downstream, or worse, when an entire run needs to be reworked. By the time defects appear, it's often unclear what caused them. Was it a drifting parameter? A tool wearing out earlier than expected? A change in run speed? Operators and supervisors do their best with the information they have, but the data they need is scattered, hard to compare, or simply not visible at the right moment. DataQI helps teams catch problems earlier and understand them faster. Here, an operator is about to begin a high-value machining job, the kind where a single defect can mean hours of lost time and expensive scrap. Before starting, they open the DataQI operator dashboard. This screen gives frontline teams real-time access to their machine's performance, current job details, and key trends from the previous shift. In this factory, coolant temperature is an early indicator of tool wear. By reviewing the temperature trend from the night shift, the operator notices something important. The temperature crossed into the warning zone toward the end of the previous run. This is exactly the kind of signal that often goes unnoticed until it becomes a scrap problem. But here, it surfaced at the moment it matters most. The operator flags the concern to their supervisor. Today, they decide to perform a tool change before starting the new job, a small intervention that prevents a potentially costly defect later in the day. Using the operator dashboard, the operator logs the tool change directly on the machine. This creates a traceable record tied to the job, the shift, and the machine conditions that led to the decision. This simple workflow helps close the loop between the machine behavior, operator decisions, and quality outcomes, giving teams clearer context for future investigations. To reduce the changes of similar issues slipping through in the future, the supervisor configures a DataQI agent. The agent continuously monitors coolant temperature and other key parameters for signs of drift. If a trend emerges, like temperature consistently approaching the warning threshold, the agent automatically alerts the right team. These alerts include context from machine data and relevant documentation, helping teams understand why the deviation matters and what steps they may want to take. This turns what used to be reactive firefighting into proactive quality management. By combining live machine insights, operator input, and automated monitoring, DataQI gives teams a clearer picture of how quality issues develop and how to prevent them. When deviations do occur, investigators can upstream conditions, operator actions, and historical patterns in a single place. They can quickly identify whether a similar issue has happened before, review the interventions that worked, and avoid losing time to manual cross-checks or guesswork. The result is faster troubleshooting, fewer surprises, and higher confidence in the actions taken to protect quality.